We have the bee box. Hey you guys, welcome to the bee video. I just want you to know that this turned out a shit show. This is the second time I am filming the bee video, and I am gonna, and hopefully by now, because you'll be watching this video completely edited already, I figured out how I'm going to show you my shitty work first and my good work now. And this is just the creative process to show you how we go about these things sometimes. Let's get into bee. Alright guys, welcome to the letter B. We're starting off with some shampoo and conditioner from a company called Buxom, and this was a difficult challenge here to try to not get some boobies in this video, but we did it and we're good. So then we're going to move on to some skincare. I tried out this Becca face cleanser, which was the coolest thing I have ever tried in my whole entire life, and Enzo had to be a part of it too because it looked just so damn cool. I kept the little plastic so that I could store this guy for future, you know, because I was like, what the hell do I do with this little ball of thing, whatever. Then I'm using this Briogeo Scalp Revival. I like to use, I've been really getting into using some more like scalp skincare. Let me know if you guys want to see more on that. Then we're going to use this Bliss Marshmallow mask. It smelled so good and it felt so good too. While we're waiting for that to dry, we're using this Bio Lips Lip Plumper mask. And we're just going to leave those on for like 10-15 minutes, and then we're just going to take them off and continue with the skincare. For the skincare, I did some Belif products. This is the Belif Eye Balm Cream. This is really, really great if you guys want just a basic eye balm, or an eye cream, I mean. And then a moisturizer to top it all off. For the skin, we cannot forget about lotion. This is the Body Bomba, also from Belif. I'm just going to douse my body in that, and we're moving on to hair. I used the Brew Detangling, and then I went on to Bumble & Bumble Volumizing. You'll see all of their volumizing and texture sprays in just a second. I really, really, really love these Bumble & Bumble products, and I need something like that Brew leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to blow dry my hair, and here it is all finished. I'm then going to put the Bumble & Bumble thickening cream in throughout my hair. I have a lot of hair, but my hair is thin, but it's a lot of thin hair. So it looks like my hair's thick, but this thickening spray and thickening cream is going to make it even more. So welcome back. I hope you guys like this new setup that I've got going on right here. You guys can't really tell it's a new setup, but hey, it's a new setup because we're against the wall. And now if I really wanted to watch Enzo play video games in front of me, I can. We're starting off with some B right here. This is the Lost Baggage Under Eye Emergency Repair Mask and the Biore Nose Strip. We'll see how much this guy gets out of my nose, and we'll see if these really work. I've never used these before. I actually saved these for the plane, but good thing I didn't use them on the plane because they're from BioRepublic Skincare and Biore, B&B. Oh my god, I just thought of another B. Hold on. So I'm not wearing anything right now that I would really want to like protect, so to say. But this is a really interesting thing I got here. Hold on, hold on. So this is called the Beat Bib. And you basically take it and you put it over yourself, and it's supposed to protect anything from falling on yourself. Okay, nice. Nice, nice, because I just dropped some moisturizer from the eye patches on my shirt, and it made me think of this, and it starts with a B. Just so happens to start with a B. These are like soaked in moisturizer, my friends. So because I'm super lazy, now I'm like going to get my nose wet with the water, I just use some of the moisturizer to wet my nose for the Biore Pore Strip, and here we go. Actually gonna use a little bit of this BH Cosmetics setting spray. To prep my lips, I'm going to use a Burt's Bees lip balm and a Beauty for Real lip scrub. I'm just going to scrub my lips a little bit first to get off any dry skin, any flakiness, and then pop on my Burt's Bees lip balm so that we can prepare our lips for the lips later. Now we're going to move on to the brows. I'm starting off with the Ka-Brow from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm just going to fill in these brows. I have the Becca Bright Under Eye Corrector. Guys, I really don't think that we have any concealer in B, and that's an issue, but we're going to make it work. So I'm going to use this to shape out my brows. So for the eyes, you guys, we have a couple palettes here. We have the Snow White palette from Becca Cosmetics. We have this little Buxom palette that I made myself. And we also have the BH Cosmetics Carly by Belle palette. This is the second edition. So I'm going to try to come up with something using this stuff right here. So I'm just using this cream shadow from the BH Cosmetics Carly by Belle palette to set everything. I did use a little bit of foundation from Becca, which you guys will see later, on my eye to kind of give it some kind of base, because we also don't have an eye primer. Then I'm going to transition with this like mauve-y purple. I'm going to take really high and just buff it completely out. I just kind of want this to give me like an eye contour. Still trying to figure out what look I'm going for because I got no idea. So I'm going to take this eye gloss and I want to put it all over my eye. We're going for a kind of like a rocker girl kind of look here. I'm gonna take some of this eye gloss from Butter London. For now, I just want to get like the color on my lid. I don't want it to be, like I don't really want it to be glossy yet, because we're gonna have to go back and kind of do that because it's gloss. So I'm gonna put it on my eyelid first, and I'm cleaning off my brush, and I'm just going to use your finger too, but I'm just gonna kind of like blend it a little. It's getting a little blotchy on the eyeball, but it's pretty. This is helping blend it out for me. It feels really like, my eye feels like cool. I have this liner from a company called Beauty People. It is from their Snow White edition, which is in no collaboration with Becca, so it's so funny that both of them ended up in this video. But this is the color Glimmer Burgundy, and I'm going to use this all on the inner waterline of my eyes. So I'm going to tightline on the top and also on the bottom. Then for the bottom of the lashes, I want to do like this really pretty aqua green. Do you see it? This is the Beauty for Real eyeliner in Jade. I'm going to use this right underneath my waterline. So since we're going for more of like rocker chic here, I'm going to make the under eye much lower. So now we're going to move on to lashes. These are Baddington lashes. They're from the BoxyCharm box. That's another B. These are the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. Before I pop those on, I'm going to be using the Butter London mascara. This is the Stroke of Wow Volumizing Mascara. So I have this little guy right here from Beauty Blender. It's basically supposed to help you with your eyeliner. And I have a Butter London Glazin Lustrous Liner in the color Ultraviolet. We're gonna see how this works together. I'm gonna start off with the Becca First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh Primer. For foundation, I have the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream, and this is in the color Noisette. We'll see if this matches. For concealer, we're using the Becca under eye brightening corrector. This is the only thing we have for concealer or foundation colors, so let's hope this works. This is the Glazin Blush Jelly from Butter London. This was really, really cool. I'm gonna try this out, see how it works, and go from there. For powder, we have this super cute powder from Beauty Bakery. It's called their Flower Setting Spray. First time I'm using this. The packaging though is absolutely adorable. It looks like a little bag of flour. For bronzer, I'm using the Bare Minerals Let's Go Nude. It's actually a blush, but we're gonna see how this goes. For blush, actual blush, we're gonna be using the Balm. This is the Girls Getaway Trio Blush, and it comes with 3 pretty blushes. I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics setting spray all over my face, and then we're gonna apply highlighter after. I really want this highlighter to be like, pow, in your face. And this is the Lilac Geode highlighter. Because I'll be honest with you guys, I don't love this look. It's a little boring. Little face is not all there for me. Okay. I'm going to take a little of this guy right here from the BH Carly by Belle palette. I'm also going to use that same color to highlight the inner corners and the brow bone. I'm gonna prep my lips with this Bite Lip Primer. And then I'm lining my lips with this Bite Lip Pencil. This is in the color 20. We're topping that with some Nude Exposure from Buxom Cosmetics. And then I literally did save the best for last because this is the Bonnie Bell Lip Lights in Cappuccino. And you guys, this is like a 90s legend right here. I bought this. I don't think I bought this specific one, but I used to buy this when I was so much younger, cover my lips with foundation, and top it off with this. So yeah, about that. We don't do that anymore. The final part of this look, we're taking a little more of the lip jelly, and we're gonna apply this to our eyes. So we're gonna take some stars, stickers, and we're gonna put them on my face. So now that you guys saw me basically just mess up my whole entire face with all of the B products, here was look number 2. And I really just looked at all these products and felt like there was just a very big galaxy vibe. So that's kind of what I went for. I had all of these star stickers from my planners, from just holidays and whatnot. So I took it upon myself to take some of the products that I used in the first look and just kind of created almost like a galaxy look with what I had. I guess this is the challenge of the ABC series here, because I really did have a challenge trying to figure out what look I was going to come up with for all of this. I was like, the hair, the skincare is totally on point, but this makeup is just going to be a little bit of a challenge. So I just took a bunch of the purple shadows, pink shadows, gold shadows. I even mixed a tiny bit of yellow in there, and just created a really pretty galaxy look for you guys. I feel like this was more so where I needed to go in the first place with this makeup. As I told you, this ABC series is very much so about finding like my inner creativity and bringing that to you guys using, you know, all products that start with a certain letter, just to kind of make it a little bit more fun and a little bit more challenging. And maybe I'll think of, you know, different ideas rather than just slapping glitter on myself. So I really like the way that this came out in the end, and I was much more proud of bringing this final look to you, this little galaxy one. But I did want to show you guys the other look just so you can kind of see where my mind is at and kind of what goes down in this whole process, or this whole creative process of just creating makeup for you. So once we're done with all of those shadows, we moved on to the lips. We used some Bite products just to prep the lips and then line the lips. I'm using this really pretty nude lip pencil, and then I'm dabbing on some Buxom lipstick and my favorite Bonnie Bell lip gloss from the 90s. This is what I used in like high school and like other stuff. And then I used a little bit of this Bright Organics. Is it Bright? Oh boy, I'm horrible. But I used some of this glitter right here, and I just dabbed that around my little stars because, you know, glitter fam, glitter queen, we have to add glitter somehow, some way. And this is how we did it. This is how we do it. And that kind of completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed kind of this mess of a video, and hope you enjoyed kind of like my creative process here and enjoyed me showing you the mess up and then the final look that I actually liked. Okay, you guys, we finally finished B. Oh my god, was this a rough freaking video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the way that this look came out better than you liked the first look. I think this was just a rough one, but I am pretty satisfied with how this one came out. Super duper pretty, cute, super cute. Hopefully C will be better, but thank you guys for watching once again. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the follow button. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you soon.